right, I made a eggnog cake today, and I got it on my GoPro, and I couldn't get it off my GoPro. Uh, if this works, I'm gonna uh put the description in put the recipe in the description. And I've never made a eggnog cake before, but so I'm gonna cut this and see how it tastes. All right. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. I've got a sun oven that I put on the front porch, and it was cloudy, and it never did heat up, so I had to bring it in and put it in my oven. So I hope y'all have a blessed week. Thank you so much for watching. Just like, share, and subscribe.